Hello students, let us write the structural formula of methane. So lesson number 4, carbon and its compounds. So molecular formula of methane is CH4. So one carbon atom is covalently bonded to 4 hydrogen atoms which are located at the corners of regular tetrahedron. So let us try to write down the structural formula of methane. So symbol of carbon is C, atomic number is 6, electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. In other way, if you see 2, 4. Now, so there are 4 electrons in outermost orbit. So in order to attain a stable electronic configuration of inert gas, so carbon requires another 4 electrons. So here the nucleus of an carbon cannot accept this 4 electron or donate the 4 electron. So in this case, the carbon is going to share these 4 electrons. So as a result, the bond which is formed by the sharing of electron is known as covalent bond. So here if carbon shares this 4 electron with hydrogen, what will happen? So symbol of hydrogen is H, atomic number is 1, electronic configuration is also 1. So hydrogen also requires 1 electron to complete the condition of 2 electron, that is the first orbit. So here carbon requires 4 electron and hydrogen requires 1 electron. So here the carbon is going to share these electrons with 4 atoms of hydrogen. So now let us try to write the structural formula. So when we are writing the structural formula, we should always start with carbon first. So here is carbon. So this carbon is going to share 1 electron with hydrogen, and at the same time hydrogen is also going to share 1 electron with carbon. So as a result, here the bond form is covalent bond, carbon hydrogen, and this is the second electron of carbon which is sharing with hydrogen. So here the bond form is CH bond. So third electron of the carbon is shared with hydrogen. So fourth electron of carbon is shared with hydrogen. So as a result, there are 4 CH bond. That is the structural formula of methane.